Hello friends, myself Professor Shubhangi Ingre. I am working as Assistant Professor in the Computer Department, TSSM Bhurabai Sawant College of Engineering. Now in today's sessions, we are learn about the basic concept of the data mining. So now starts with the what is the data mining. Data mining is defined as a procedure of extracting the information from the huge amount of the data. In other words, we can also say that the data mining is the mining knowledge from the data. There is a huge amount of data available in the information industries. This data of no use until it is converted into the useful information. So it is very necessary to analyze this huge amount of data and extract the information from it. Extractions of the information is not only the one process. We need to perform the data mining also involves the other process, such as is given in front of you. First is nothing but the data cleaning, second is the data integration, third is the data transformation, fourth is data mining, fifth is the pattern evaluations, and sixth is the data presentation. Once all these process over, we will be able to use this information in many applications such as fraud detection, market analysis, productions control, science explorations, etc. Now I am giving some applications in front of you. There is three applications in the following domains. First is the market analysis and the management. Second one is the corporate analysis and the risk management, and third one is the fraud detections. Now it starts with the market analysis and the management. Listed below are the various fields of the markets where the data mining is used. First is nothing but the customer profiling. In that, data mining is used to determine what kind of the people buy what kind of the product, that is for the customer profiling. Second is nothing but the identify the customer requirement. In that, data mining helps in identifying the best product for the different customers. It uses the predictions to find the factors that may attract the new customers. The third one is nothing but the cross market analysis. Data mining perform the association or correlations between the product sales. Fourth one is nothing but the target marketing. Data mining helps to find the clusters of model customers who shares the some characteristics such as the interest, habits, and incomes, etc. Fifth is nothing but the determining the customer purchasing pattern. In that, data mining helps in determining the customer purchase pattern. Sixth is nothing but the providing the summary information. Data mining provide us a various multi-dimensional summary reports. Now we are moving to the second application, that is for the corporate analysis and the risk management. Data mining is used in the following field of the corporate sector. First is finance planning and assets evaluation. It involves the cash flow analysis and the prediction. Second is nothing but the resource planning. It involves the summarizing and comparing the resources. Third is nothing but the competitions. It involves the monitoring competitions and the market directions. Now data mining having the two main categories that is given in front of you. First is nothing but the description and second is nothing but the classifications and the predictions. Description in the description functions deals with the general properties of the data from the databases. Now some lists are given in front of you. First is nothing but the class and concept description. Second is the mining of the frequent patterns. Third is nothing but the mining of the association rules. Fourth one is nothing but the mining of the correlation. Fifth one is nothing but the mining of the clusters. Now we are moving to the second data mining categories, that is for the classification and the prediction. Classification is the process of finding the models that describes the data classes or the concept. Some derived model is given in front of you. First is nothing but the classification rules, second is the decision tree, third one is the mathematical functions, and fourth one is nothing but the neural network. Thank you.